Hi guys, welcome back. So today this is the one Jaya made, my sister. Say hi, Jaya. This is the one I just made, and this is the one I'm making, and this is one my mum and sister made. And if you want clear slime, you get washable and the Elmer's glue. It's like yeah. So this one, then this one hasn't done. I just need to keep mixing it. See, it's really sticky, so I just need to keep mixing it. And then this is a bit off the other one, and this one, and then there's this one. It's a really nice colour. So yeah, right, and let me just do this. 'Cause you're the one who loves, you're the one that. Whatever glue you want in, glitter glue, paint, we do put this in like a little bit of time and like need. So yeah. If you wonder who that was whispering in the background, my sister. So, you're the one I need. And this one, ATM isn't that stretchy, but yeah, average. Rippable though, but.
Can I show them the big one that made?
Where? Uh-oh, actually. Oh well, never mind.
Daddy, just keep doing this, yeah?
And also, if you.
But if you don't, then it won't mix.
So I'm going to demonstrate how you make it. So you get your glue.
And can I tell them? So, guys, if you don't know why, then maybe my sister can tell you all about it.
Basically, what it is, it's like running low, so obviously the air is going in and making it squeak. And then you pour
of activator.
Then mix our mixing tools in the sink because we made. So yeah, we use a pencil, like an old one.
Mum used a spoon with this one and that one.
Yeah, use a spoon. So yeah.
But it's more than it is spoon it for a spoon.
Ah, oops.
This one.
Let me just pull the rest of it. Isn't it lovely?
Wait, no, just jacket off because don't want it to get wet. I don't want my new jackets on this stuff. I need all of it.
What's it in? Isn't it lovely? So yeah. Get rid of that. Let me put that one in there. See, it's a bit.
I can't tell you.
It's not kneaded together properly. So what you need to do is fingers out. You need your fingers to knead it. Like knead it with your hands because your hands do get sticky. But then like that, it will come off because it's sticky. It goes like that. So yeah. I don't want her love. Joe, where's your? If you're wondering what I'm on, my sister's toy box, but it's like a desk kind of thing, so yeah. And then my desk is over there with all my perfume and makeup and stuff on. No glitter.
I had to hurry up because I thought
no glitter.
I thought Jessie was gonna.
Okay, but thank you for watching. Bye. Jaya?
Peace out.